Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for University Revaluation. We will cover the essential steps to challenge your exam results, ensuring you understand the entire process. This guide will help you navigate the online application, clarify fee structures, and inform you about crucial timelines. Our aim is to make your revaluation application smooth and straightforward. Applying for revaluation is primarily an online process. First, head to the official Mahatma Gandhi University website. Locate the student portal and either log in with your existing credentials or create a new account. Once inside, find the revaluation section and select New Application. You will then choose your specific semester and the papers you wish to have re-evaluated. Regarding fees, the standard revaluation charge is 500 rupees for each paper you submit. It is crucial to pay this fee online through net banking or UPI after selecting your papers. Always double-check that the payment is correctly processed to prevent any issues with your application. Please remember that once paid, revaluation fees are typically non-refundable. Timeliness is key. Applications must be submitted within 15 days from the date your original results were published. Typically, revaluation results are announced online approximately 10 days after your application submission. Remember, your initial marks are replaced by the re-evaluated score, which could be higher, lower, or the same. Always monitor the student portal for updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.